passive income. Are you getting yours? Stick around in this video. What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good? It was good. Guys, another beautiful day. It's still snowing, dropping my daycare. I just dropped the kids off, dropped my daughter off at daycare. Then we'll pick her up a little bit later. Got to go to the doctor for her here. Get her all checked out. Make sure everything is good, but the ice is melting. Snow is melting. Streets are getting back clean. That's the way we like it, guys. But I wanted to take some time out to shoot a quick video today for my passive income seekers, guys. Literally my Bitcoin cryptocurrency seekers, guys. This is something that I've actually, like I said, I get a lot of people that don't want to recruit. I have a lot of programs that you have to recruit, bring people in, but there's a lot of people who don't want to recruit. And before we get into that, I just want to put this out here first, guys. I am no financial advisor, so don't take my word for things as far as, what to do with your money, any of that. We're all grown here, especially if you're able to make some money, to make the right decisions and the right choices whenever you're looking at investing in bettering yourself, okay? Now with this company, guys, pretty much here you're able to earn passive income by just sitting back and earning ad packs on your BTC. They do real trading as well, and they put the numbers up inside of the Facebook group to let you know what's going on and how the income is being generated. The owner of the program is actually involved in the Facebook group. That's the #1 thing that I love, guys. Now you can earn anywhere between 1% to 1.25% on your money. So there's people making some decent income with this from just plugging and playing there. They don't have to go out and recruit. But when you do bring people in, you do get a piece of the commission of their deposit as well. And you can take that money, reinvest it, and let your money keep making money for you guys. So, you guys know that, I used to do crypto back in the, about a year or two ago, and I got out to space a little bit with so much going on. But, I'm back in that investment side. I'm back up on learning the Forex and different things. So I figured, why not learn crypto trading as well, or, getting back into crypto. So that's why I wanted to shoot this video, to let you guys know here, like, if you're looking for a passive income, you don't want to recruit, you just want to kind of sit back and invest and let money turn around for you, let your money keep back in, that's something that you can definitely check out with this particular program. And this program is My Passive Trades, okay? So My Passive Trades is definitely a good company, and they've actually been around. They're one of the longer companies that have been around inside of this space. There's a whole bunch, when you're dealing with crypto, man, there's a lot of companies that come in, get their money, they already play, they're already on the exit scam thing, so they're already designed to do an exit scam. This company's actually been around. They're keeping you informed, everything that's going on, new updates, let you guys know. They do trading, you get trading signals for Forex, you get trading signals for crypto. You're letting your money grow. This is a good community that you guys definitely want to check out. So that's why I wanted to shoot this video, so to let you know, guys, hey, it's low as $5 investment. So $5, man, literally, you can make $5. And I'm actually thinking about putting this into an income funnel, because it helps you generate an income stream in this type of business world. So I'm thinking about putting together an actual funnel where there's going to be high ticket and low ticket as well included with it. So that way you guys could definitely make some money and, multiply your income. That's what we always like to do, is multiply that income, okay? So you might see some screenshots of people with some good money popping up, and you can be doing the exact same. So I'm gonna leave a link right at the bottom for you to check it out, hear it the same way I heard it, see it the same way I seen it, and make a right decision, guys. It's just $5 to get going in this thing, man, and you can always go up, have more. So this is your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video after the doctor's appointment, I am out. Also, forgot, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, guys. I don't ever like begging for stuff like that, but it helps out the algorithm. Also, if anytime I drop a new video, you guys are right there in the loop, and you know what's going down. All right? This is your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.